Welcome to readtheticket.com. Today we're going to talk about Gann percentages. We're going to do this on the TNX, the USA 10-year Treasury bill. This is the yield. This is January 07 to early 09. Gann's percentages there were four major sequences: the 50 range, the 66, the 75, and the 100. Take the 50, divide it by 2, you get 25. Divided by 25, you get 12, 6, etc. Same for the 66. Why the 50, 60, and 75? It's because they are the most common price zones where price will reverse. Now I must stress that it's value and not the move. For example, in Fibonacci, you'll take this point here, that point there, divide it by 2, and you'll get half percentage of the move. Here we're talking about 50% of the value. So we're taking 5.2, dividing it by 2, and getting 2.6. So that's 50% of the value, not the move. So how do we know which series to apply? Well, we have to go fishing in trial by error. I start off with 12.5, 16.6, 25, 33, 50 and 60.6, which is a combination of the ratios out of sequence 1 and sequence 2. Because 50 and 66 are the most common areas where price will reverse. Right, now let's just add one from this pivot point here. I have already preset them, so I just need to activate them. Okay. So here we have 5.25 the high, 60% less value is at 4.38, 25% is at 3.94, 33% is at 3.5, and 50% is at 2.63. Now it's quite spooky how this sort of works out. Here you find a reversal right in the dot, a reversal here, and a reversal here. Here it's a challenge, but it seems to have failed. I see these percentage levels as buoys in the ocean. They're markers to watch out for, or turning points in the market. You would need confirmation from other aspects, but they're definitely important to watch. For example, you might get confirmation on this point here from a Gann angle, a turn up in the Hurst cycle, some Wyckoff analysis, fundamentals, or another Gann percentage. Another important point to note: if price does turn on a percentage level of 16, the 25, the 33, you'd have to think about the relationship to its sequence. For example, the 16.6, you're saying, well, it turned up in that sequence there, so there might be a relationship to 33, 16.6 and 13.3. So it's part of the cycle of sequence and the fitness test of the price action. There is a relationship between these levels here. So what we do is we run down the pivot points, and we will add some more Gann percentages of this high here, that one there, and that one there, this one, and this one. And what we're looking for is a confluence of levels. So other percentage levels meeting the same support zone. Okay, let's activate the next one from this price pivot point here. Okay. Here we see that the using the same start percentage levels again, you can get adventurous and try other ones. It's up to you. Here we see the magic of 16.6 marrying the 25. It just confirms that there's 2 points of evidence for a possible change in price action here. Once again, you'd look at this level here and you'd look for confirmation of the price action with volume and even cycles. And it's even more spooky down here with the 25 and the 33 marry up. So you can sort of see the distance between the impulse waves and consolidation are of equal measure. The 33 doesn't have a relationship with the price at this level, but it may be considered over here. Obviously, the further away you go away from the pivot, the less likely the ripple effect will have. So at the moment we have two critical levels around the 3.9 and 3.5. Let's go to the next pivot. Okay, so here we have the 16.6, the 25 and the 50. 16.6 confirms the other two percentage levels, so you obviously get pretty excited around this level here for a reversal and a major bottom over here. So let's go ahead and add the next one. Here we see that this pivot point adds to the strength of support at 3.4 and 3.6 at minus 12, and we get another addition down here at this level here, and we get another one down here of relevance. I've excluded the ones that didn't make any, well, didn't find a home, just to save time. Let's move on to the next point. That one there. Once again we get the purple, we get reconfirmation of the very strong support at 3.4 to 3.6 yield on the 10-year, and we get another addition down here of material note. Obviously at this point in time we did not know price was going to go down this far, but as price travelled along here we would have activated these levels to see where price could have landed. As we enter the 2008 crisis, anything could have happened, so let's activate this one here. Okay, so once again another confirmation here from the grey pivot point. We get an addition down here, so we have 3 lines here, and we get 4 lines down here. Price came down and it eventually broke, hesitated, and found a bottom. Like I said before, I use these levels as buoys in the water, as price zones to watch price action very carefully. And you'll need confirmation or some sort of price strength to treat this as a reversal. Because at the moment you're trading with the trend, and to suddenly start trading against the trend, you're going to need a sign that there's strength in the market, and we got it here with this bounce test and then another takeoff here. Here are some points to finish off. First, the chart need not be a one-to-one of time and price as per the Gann angle and Gann arc charts. Second thing is, why do these actually work? Well, fundamentally these levels are psychological levels when managers look at their portfolios of gains or losses, whether they're long or short. So if you're long here at 402 and the yield goes against you, well, you're down half your money, and vice versa. If you're short here and it goes down there, you're up just as much. So as a manager, either going to adjust your position or take profits. Once again, Gann percentages are a great methodology to find key levels on the chart, or buoys in the ocean as I refer to them. They're there to watch out for price action and other major turning points in the chart. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.